Today, I'll show you how to change your Gmail phone number on mobile. Before we start, there's one important thing to understand. Your Gmail phone number is usually managed through your Google account settings, not inside the Gmail inbox itself. Google says you can add, update, or remove the phone number connected to your account from the phone section of your Google account. And on mobile, you can usually reach it through your phone's settings app or by opening your account page in a browser. If you're using an Android phone, open the settings app, tap Google, then tap Manage your Google account. After that, go to the Personal Info tab at the top and select Phone. Google's help says this is the section where you can manage the number connected to your account. If you're on iPhone, or if you prefer using a browser, open your Google account page, sign in, then go to Personal Info and tap Phone. Once you're in the Phone section, tap your current number, then choose the Edit option and select Update Number. Follow the instructions on the screen, enter your new phone number, and confirm it if Google asks you to verify it. Google also says you can add a number if you do not have one yet, or remove a number completely if that is what you need. There's another detail that matters here. Google separates your general account phone number from your recovery phone in some settings. If you want to update the number used to help you get back into your account, go to the recovery phone section in your Google account, then tap Edit next to the number and follow the steps. Google says you may need to sign in again before making the change. Also, keep in mind that Google says it may take up to a week before your new number can be used to verify sensitive actions, such as changing your password. So, after you update the number, do not be surprised if some security features still take a little time to fully switch over. If you recently changed phones but still have the same number, the process is usually simple. But if you lost access to your old number and use two-step verification, Google's help says you may need to use another verification method or recovery option to finish signing in and update your settings safely. And that's how to change your Gmail phone number on mobile. Hope the tutorial was helpful, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.